Okay, what is M language? Okay, so we have seen in advanced editor, okay, whatever the steps you applied in a Power Query, so the all steps will be there in the advanced editor. Okay, whatever there in the advanced editor, that is called M code, guys. Okay, M code, what? M code or M language? People say M code or M language, anything is fine. Okay, don't get confused about the terminology. Okay, everything is the same. Okay, M code and M language both are same. Okay, what is M stands for? Okay, people may ask you in interview question. Okay, what is M stands for? M stands for mashup. Okay, so Power Query main goal is to clean the data. Same M code. Okay, whatever you use the buttons, the same buttons you can okay, you can use the code and then you can do the things with the code also. Guys, are you getting? Okay, by using M code also you can do the same things, whatever the transformation you applied so far. By using code also we can do that. Okay, by using code also we can do that. Okay, hope you are clear that, guys. So that is M code. M code is mainly for cleaning the data. Okay, it will mash up means cleaning the data. It's a case sensitive. Okay, so and yesterday I have introduced, okay, yesterday I have introduced where we have the M code and all. Okay, where we have the M code in advanced editor. Okay, so if you want to find the M code, okay, you have to go with the advanced editor and then you can find the case. Okay, now let me take some. Okay, we'll go with one by one. Okay, we'll see M code. Okay, so what is previous year and current year, how to find that data, and then so next year and then add month and okay, so even date functions and all. Okay, even text functions also we are going to do, and I am going to write some sample code how that M code will work and all, and also I am going to give a tips. Okay, no need to go anywhere for M code. Okay, I will give all the tips, guys. Okay, I will give all the tips. Okay, you can find the very big document in your Power Query only. Okay, that is enough to learn. Okay, if you are interested in the Power Query, again I am saying, guys. Okay, M code is not mandatory. Okay, it's not mandatory, but if you know, that is added advantage. Okay, if you know that that is added advantage. Yes, again I am saying. Okay, but this M language is very easy to learn. Okay, so let me take some sample data and then we'll try that M code, guys. Okay, what is that M code and all, we'll see. Okay, let me pick some Excel. Okay, so this is the custom column M code. Okay, I will share this file after the class. Okay, same way yesterday how I have shared, the same way I will share. Okay, so you can practice it. And then click on order date. Okay, and then click on transformation. Okay, so it will take you to Power Query editor. It will take you to Power Query editor, and then I need only one column. I don't want other columns. Okay, remove other columns. Okay, those are blank columns, and this is the date format, guys. Okay, this is the date format, and then convert into date. And also, if you have any blank rows, okay, just try to remove the blanks. Okay, now we have a date. Okay, now we have a date where we'll write. Okay, in add column we have, okay, in add column, so we didn't completed the custom column, right? Okay, someone asked, okay, where we use the custom column and all. Okay, I'm going to explain the custom column, guys, today. Okay, I'm going to explain the custom column. Okay, so if you want to write a M code, okay, in each and every column you want to separate, okay, each and every operation in a separate column, you can go and write your M code in the custom column. Okay, in custom column we'll write the code. Okay, so let me click on the custom column. Okay, so if you want, okay, if you want us, okay, so there is a date column. Okay, there is a date column. Okay, you can assume that there is a historical data. You have 10 years of data. Okay, whether we have a okay, previous year data or not. Okay, if you want to check the whether the previous year data is existed or not. Okay, right, previous year. Okay, so you can go with the like, okay, date. Okay, it's a case sensitive, right? Okay, date. Okay, date is in. Okay, you are checking, guys. Okay, previous date is not there. Previous date is there or not. Okay, not only date functions, guys. Okay, you can type date. Okay, it will give the intelligence. Okay, find the date functions and the text functions also. Okay, text functions also. Okay, it's giving text after delimiter, before delimiter, between delimiter, clean, combine, contains, end, switch. Okay, end with, okay, format. If all are we have. Okay, even not only text and then the number also you will get. Okay, number functions also you will get. Okay, so all functions will have in this here. Okay, okay, now I want to find the previous year. Okay, date is in. Okay, so you are checking whether the date is there in. Okay, when you type p, it will give all previous case. Okay, it will give all previous. So okay, you want to previous day or previous month, previous n means. Okay, n means number. Okay, that you can give any number, guys. Okay, any number, and previous n months. Okay, n months means, okay, n place you can give, okay, number. Okay, 2 or 3. Okay, so 7 or something like that. Okay, and we want for now, okay, we want to find the previous year, right? Okay, to find previous year, okay, just write a previous. Okay, where is the previous year? Okay, this is the function, guys. Okay, this is the previous year function, and then open bracket. Okay, open bracket. It, the beauty of this M code, it's giving the syntax, guys. Okay, it's giving the syntax. Okay, you can provide a date. Okay, I will give what you want. Okay, just it's asking, you can provide a date column, and then I will give what you want. Okay, so just will provide the date column here. Okay, double click on that date column, and then close. Okay, and then close this. Okay, now syntax is clear. Okay, see, the number syntax is clear now. Okay, so if you have any syntax error, you can find there. Okay, you can find there. Okay, so then click OK, and then click OK. Okay, see, it's giving. Okay, you can check. Okay, what is the previous year now? Okay, what is, if I, where we'll get the true value? Okay, we are in 2022. Okay, what is the previous year? For 2021, okay, it should give the true results. Okay, so now it's giving the true results for 2021, guys. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, guys, hope you are getting, right? Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, so the thing is, okay, so M code will work like this, guys. Okay, M code will work like this. Okay, let me zoom out. Okay, so let me zoom. Okay, so here, okay, we are adding column. Okay, this is the transformation, guys. Okay, on table you are adding column. That is the reason table dot add column, and then this is your previous step. Okay, if you go here, okay, if you go here, this is your previous step, guys. Okay, remove blanks. Okay, every step will have the same thing. Okay, same pattern. Okay, so table dot add column. Okay, add column means the transformations will different, but every time if you add, if you go with the custom column, it will come. Okay, transformation is same. Okay, if you don't see this formula bar, guys. Okay, I think your formula bar is off here. Okay, so if you click here, so the formula bar, I think it's checked. Okay, it's unchecked. Okay, you have to check. Okay, if you want to see the formula bar, okay, you have to check this one, guys. Okay, so now, okay, so that is the first one, and then this is the previous step. Okay, every time it's a previous step, and this is the column name, okay, which you have written, and this is the function name. Okay, every time the 4 steps are there, guys. Okay, the first step is transformation name, second step is previous step name, and then third step is your column name, and then fourth step is your function name. Okay, every time you will have these 4 steps by default. Okay, so 4 steps are common. Maybe you may have less steps also. Okay, you may have less steps also, but these 4 steps will be there. Guys, are you getting? Are you getting? Just type yes, guys. Okay, if you are getting, just type yes. Come on. Okay, yeah, awesome. Okay, and so if you filter, guys. Okay, if you filter also, so whether it's getting correct or not, that time also it's giving a one code. Okay, one function. See that? Okay, table dot selected. Okay, so table dot selected rows. Okay, that is also one transformation you selected, and then this is your previous step, and then just now you applied the function. Okay, previous rows is equal true. Guys, are you getting? Okay, whatever the steps you applied, that will give a code. Okay, that will give a code. Okay, now next we'll go with the, okay, previous year done, and then we'll go with the what? Current year. Okay, whether the current year data is existed or not. Okay, let me go here and then add a custom column. Okay, so you can okay, you can go with the current year and then question mark. You can keep a question mark also whether current year data is existed or not. Okay, so this time date is in. Okay, date is in, checking, guys. Okay, date is in. Okay, so we are finding current years, right? After is in, you have to type C. Okay, it will give all current years. Okay, so then go and then click OK, and then select a date. Okay, select a date column and then click OK. So the syntax, no syntax error has been detected, and then click OK. Okay, see, this time also same. Okay, transformation name, and then previous step name, and then column name, and then function name, whatever the function you have written, guys. Okay, the 4 steps. Hope you are okay, hope you are getting, guys. Okay, so this is the previous step name. Okay, add custom column is a your previous step name. Okay, so every time we will have this same. Okay, so initial 3 steps, guys. Okay, it will connect to the source, and then it will promote to the headers, and then it will change the data type. Okay, those 3 are always be there. Okay, those are the default steps. Okay, the first 3 steps. Okay, if you see these first 3 steps, guys. Okay, source, navigation, promote to header, and then change data type. Okay, these 3 are by default are there. Sometimes promote header will not be there, sometimes it will not be promoted the header. Okay, but you have a source and a navigation, and then change type will be always be there, guys. Okay, change type will always be there. Okay, so for those only it will be different, but remaining all are same. Okay, remaining columns, whatever the steps you applied, so the all steps are same. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, this is for current year, and also we'll check for the next year. Okay, next year data is available or not. Okay, so click here, custom column, and then go with the next year. Okay, just type n and then here. Okay, next year. Okay, so that is the next year, and then okay, this time. Okay, sometimes my system is not working properly and encode. Okay, I need to. Okay, let me close this. Okay, let me apply. Okay, close and apply, and then come back to the Power Query, guys. Okay, maybe I think it's not required for you. Okay, for me, so I need to update my this desktop. So that is the reason. Sometimes okay, it's not working, sometimes it's working for M code only. Okay, remaining things it's working fine, but only M code. Okay, let me close, and then let me go to the Power Query editor. Okay, go to the add column. Okay, in add column there is a custom column, right? Okay, add column, and then custom column. Okay, in the custom column, okay, you can find, okay, for next year, right? Okay, you can type next year. Okay, n year. Okay, next. Okay, so date is in. Okay, is in. Okay, you want next year, right? Okay, date is in next year. Okay, just type n. Okay, so where is the function? Just type see. Where is the next year? Okay, here is the next year, guys. Okay, just type. Okay, and then close. Okay, and then close. Okay, give the date, and then close. Okay, this is the next year. Okay, if you check that, okay, whether the next year data is there or not. Okay, so guys, okay, whenever you move to the 2023, so what is the next year date? Automatically it will change to true to 2024, guys. Okay, so these are dynamical changes. Okay, it will not be same. Okay, if you see the previous year, okay, so we are in 2022, our previous year is 2021 now. Okay, tomorrow if you move to the 2023, so now automatically the true values will change to 2022. Okay, so hope you are getting, guys. Okay, just type C. Okay, if you are clear, just type C. Okay, come on, guys. Superb. Okay, so next, some different function. Okay, now, so previous n years. Okay, n means number. Okay, so maybe 2 or maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, something like that. Okay, n means here, n means what? Okay, previous n years means, okay, previous. Okay, number means, okay, you can keep 2 years and 3 years. Okay, previous 2 years, previous 3 years, previous something like that, guys. Okay, so let me go here, and then okay, whether the data. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, I will give only for this previous. Okay, for next year you can. Okay, next year you can type, you can search it. Okay, so I'm going with the 2 years, and then okay, so date is in. Okay, so you have to search with the previous. Okay, so previous n years. Okay, we have a previous n years. Okay, this syntax is different, guys. Okay, if you see here, okay, the syntax is you have to provide that date and year as a number. Okay, you have to provide year as a number. Okay, so that is the syntax of the okay previous n years, guys. Okay, you have to provide comma. Okay, and then 2 as a previous year. Okay, so then click OK. So whether we have the previous year data or not. Okay, so guys, someone is unmuted. Okay, yourself, so please go mute yourself. Okay, So if you check the previous 2 years data for true, okay, it will give for 2021 and then 2020. Okay guys, so hope you are getting. Okay, so the next year you can try that. And also let me open a file. You can, okay, 25 functions will cover, guys. Okay, if you open the file now, okay, so if you go to the sheet, okay, let me close this. You go to the sheet. Okay, this is the assignment for you guys. Okay, I have completed for year. You can try for quarter and then month and then week and then day. Everything is the same. Okay, so all functions are same. Okay, hope you are getting, guys. Okay, so you can try for quarter, month, week and day. Okay, we'll try, guys. You are going to try now. Try, right? Okay, so maybe, okay, that is assignment for you for M code. Okay, you will try. Okay, yeah, super, awesome. Okay, so we'll go with the next one. Okay, add and subtract dates and month name and day name we want from the date. Okay, so then that time, okay, you can go here and then, okay, you can add a custom column. Okay, so here you want to add. Okay, otherwise we will take a duplicate case. Okay, what we'll do, we'll take a duplicate. Okay, I don't want to mess. Okay, okay, take this one and then take a duplicate. Okay, I don't want all these columns. Okay, remove these columns. Okay, so I have only one column. Okay, so now go to custom column. Okay, this time I want to add 5 months. Okay, add 5 months. Okay, so now, okay, date add. Okay, date add. Okay, you, if you want to add in days, months, quarters, weeks, years, okay, which one, okay, you want to select. Okay, you can select that. Okay, for now I am going with the months. Okay, so select that and then open bracket. Okay, so the syntax is that add a months as a date column and then number of months. Okay, you can give a number as a number of months you can give as a number, guys. Okay, okay, so for now I'm going to click on this one and then take a number. Okay, I want to add 5 months, right? So for existing date you can add 5 months. Okay, see, so this is the first month, and if you go here, okay, this is the 6th month. Okay, so let me this one. Okay, let me go this. Okay, see, this is the first month and this is the 6th month. Okay, if you are in second month, go here is the 7th month. Okay, so, okay, if you go and this is the 9 month and here is the second month after adding the 5 months, guys. Hope you are getting. Okay, so it's adding the 5 months to the existing dates. Okay, and also here is the transformation. Okay, so this is the table dot add column and this is your previous step. Okay, this is your column name and then this is your function name which you applied now. Okay, so every time the same steps. Okay, this is your previous step, guys. Okay, remove blank rows. Okay, here is the remove blank rows. So Srinivas, whatever you are saying, that's fine, but every time you are adding a new column. Okay, but we want an existing column only. Okay, we want an existing column only, guys. Do you want to know that? Okay, do you want to know that? So we'll try that. Come on, yes. Okay, we'll try that. Okay, we'll create an, okay, existing column only. Okay, no need to click anywhere when you open. Okay, when you open a bracket. Okay, when you open a bracket, automatically the syntax will come. Yes, is that clear? Okay, so let me add. Okay, so we'll go with the subtraction. Okay, subtraction dates. Okay, now we'll go with the subtraction date, so you will find that. Okay, so click on this custom column. Okay, subtract 5 months. Okay, subtract 5 months now. Okay, subtract, there is no separate function, guys. Okay, again it's giving these things. Okay, so let me, okay, close and apply. Sorry, guys. Okay, so let me quickly close the Power Query, apply changes, and then go to the Power Query editor again. Okay, go to the Power Query editor again. Okay, so now again go to the add column. Okay, so go to this column. Okay, this time we are going to subtract now, guys. Okay, this time we are going to subtract now. Okay, subtract 5 months. Okay, Okay, there is no subtract function, guys. Okay, again date add only. Okay, date add. Okay, this time someone is asking how to find the syntax. Okay, guys, whenever I opened a bracket, okay, whenever I opened a bracket, it's giving, okay, it's giving syntax, guys. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, so hope you are getting. Okay, no need to uh, okay, no need to press anywhere, just you have to open a bracket, it will give the syntax. Okay, who are asked the question? Okay, just yeah, super. Okay, so double click on this column and then okay, so you want to subtract minus 5 months, right? Okay, you can go and then give number in minus, no need to go with the any subtract function and all. There is no subtract function, guys. Okay, just give a number in minus. Okay, it will automatically do the, okay, it will automatically subtract the dates 5 months from the existing column. Okay, guys, from order date it will take, okay, it will subtract 5 months. Okay, see, now we are in a first month. Okay, after subtraction, okay, it's went to the 8th month previous year. Okay, and okay, if you are in third month, okay, after subtraction it went for the previous year 10th month. Okay, you are in the 9th month. Okay, if you are subtracted 5 months, okay, it went to the 4 month in a fourth month in a current year. Okay, so okay, hope you are getting. Okay, that is about the subtraction. Okay, so whatever you have done so far, okay, even if you want a, okay, if you want a date name and then month name, okay, day name and month name, you can go with, okay, so that point only, right? So after that we'll see the new column, guys. Okay, so we'll see with the new column. Okay, an existing column only, we'll try that. Okay, first we'll create a month name and then day name with the code, and then we'll go with that. Okay, existing column, we'll do that. Okay, create that month name. Okay, so go with the month name. Okay, so it's okay, I can type it, guys. Okay, I can type it, but it's, you cannot see that. Okay, so month name, open brackets, okay, order date and then close. Okay, there is no syntax error, but it will give the month. Okay, something. Okay, so you are not able to see that time. Okay, so maybe sometimes you will get an error. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, so sometimes my M code is not working properly, it's not showing properly, so that is the reason I'm closing and I'm reopening, guys. Okay, I'm reopening the things. Okay, so let me it's not the case for you, guys. Okay, it's not the case for you. Okay, so something I need to update from my end. Okay, so my M code is not working, it's not the case for you, guys. Okay, okay, day name. Okay, so you can go with the day name or month name. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, month name. Okay, so write month name. Okay, I don't know what is the month name function. You can type, okay, date dot month name. Okay, so click open bracket and then click on order date and then so close. Okay, and then click OK. So it will give a month name, guys. Okay, it will give month name. Okay, even day name also, if you want to find the day name. Okay, so just go here, day name. Okay, so day name. Okay, so day name. Okay, if you type date dot day of week name, you have to go with that and then okay, click with the order date and then close. Okay, and then click OK. So the syntax case, okay, same here. So everything is same when you create a new column. Okay, but the thing is, if you create an existing column, that will be a different. Okay, existing column we not going to create, we are not going to write a code in custom column, guys. Okay, we are not going to write a code in custom column, we are going to write a code in existing advanced editor only, guys. Okay, where you want to. Okay, so let me okay, let me try to. Okay, so go with the uppercase case. Okay, I want to go with the so name. Okay, name column with the uppercase. Okay, so let me click on this one and then go with the uppercase. Okay, it's converted. Okay, see here, when we go with the button click table dot transform column. Okay, so same column. Okay, so here the existing column transformed, right? So that is the reason the transformation name transform column. Okay, column is transforming from one form to another form. That is the reason table dot transform column. This is the previous step name and month name. Okay, the existing column month name. Okay, if the existing thing, okay, if you want apply an existing things, okay, the function name and then data type will be there in the curly braces. Okay, this is the syntax for an existing column, guys. Okay, let me, okay, so I want to convert this, okay, date name by writing code. Okay, by writing code on existing column. Okay, we'll convert this to uppercase, guys. Okay, let me go to this advanced editor. Okay, you can right click and go advanced editor, guys. Okay, even if you go to the home tab, there is also you can find the advanced editor, or else, okay, or else you can go to the view tab, there also you can find the advanced editor. Okay, so everywhere is the advanced editor, and make sure each query will have the advanced editor. Okay, which query you are going for the advanced editor, you have to make sure this. Okay, each query will have the advanced editor, and which query you are going the advanced editor, that is the very important. Okay, so now, okay, we'll convert even day name also uppercase. Okay, let me take a copy and then paste into uppercase text one. Okay, that, and then transformation, and then previous step name, guys. Okay, here is the previous step name you should write. Okay, so you can take, this is the previous step name. Okay, you can take, this is the previous step name, and okay, so our column name is, okay, our column name is day name, guys. Okay, day name. Okay, so or else you can copy from here also, or else you can take a copy from here also. Okay, and if you want to display that, okay, if you want to display that, you can go and then you can keep it in. Okay, so now your day name is your day name will convert. See, guys. Okay, everywhere. Okay, this is the table dot add column, and this is your previous step. Okay, this is your previous step, and then so this is your column name, and then whatever the function you applied on that. Okay, so this is your transformation name, and this is your previous step name, and then this is your column name, and whatever the steps you applied on your column. Okay, so everything will have like this case. Okay, and then click OK, and then click OK. See, it's converted to uppercase now. Guys, are you getting? Okay, an existing column we are working, guys. Okay, we are working on it. Okay, an existing column we are working on it. Okay, do you feel, okay, M code is easy, guys? Okay, you are getting, right? So okay, very easy, right? Okay, do you feel easy? Just type easy, guys. Okay, just type easy. It's easy. Yeah, Z. Okay, Z also easy. Okay, fine. Yes, super. Is that easy? Okay, people are very innovative in shortcuts. Okay, awesome. Okay, everything is fine, guys. Okay, super. Okay, that is the way we can write an existing column. Okay, now, okay, now the thing is, okay, so how to write a, okay, how to write a sample code, guys. Okay, and also, okay, whenever you want to share your code with your colleague, guys. Okay, no need to apply these steps. Okay, no need to apply all the steps from, okay, I didn't get this. Okay, it is a custom column, and advanced editor work same. So custom column again, guys. Okay, custom column in add column. Okay, in add column. See, every time it will add a column. Okay, it will add a new column. Okay, so in one column, if you want to add, then you can go and then write a custom column. But advanced editor, you're not going to. Okay, even advanced editor also you can add a column, but writing a code, okay, you can add a column. Okay, in advanced editor you can go with the existing column, and as well as you are going to add a new column also. Okay, hope you are getting, guys. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, so now, okay, now, so if you want to share the code, guys. Okay, if you want to, okay, your colleague also want to see, okay, create same table. Okay, then you can give to, okay, you can give your advanced, okay, you can go to your M code, and then you can take a copy. Okay, you can take a copy, and then you can send it him in a notepad or mail, guys. Okay, you can send him a notepad or mail. Okay, you can open, okay, you can take the copy of that your code which you have sent, and then go to the blank query. Okay, if he paste in a advanced editor, okay, if he paste in advanced editor, okay, select all and then paste it here, and it will create the same query. Okay, without any differences, it will create same query, guys. Hope you are getting. Okay, hope you are getting. That is the beauty, guys. Okay, you can share your steps, whatever the steps you applied. Okay, whatever the steps you applied, okay, the same steps, so end user can see. Okay, end user can see. Okay, sorry, even your colleague also can go with the blank query and then he can show. Yeah, so you can go to the query and then you can take a copy. Okay, you can take a copy, Control A. Okay, you can click here and then Control A and then Control C, and then you can send it in a notepad. Okay, so when you open in notepad through mail, okay, in notepad, okay, you can paste it in your notepad and then you can send it to. Okay, you want me to paste in notepad and then send. Okay, that's you want to show. Where I need to send now? Tell me which mail ID you want your mail ID. Yeah? Okay, so just take a copy and then paste it here. Okay, that step why required case. Okay, so if I paste in notepad also the same steps will come here. Okay, so but that person, opposite person, can open that notepad. Okay, and then you can go to the blank query. Okay, you can paste it here. Okay, guys, are you getting why I need to send? Okay, hope everyone is getting right, guys. Okay. Okay, super. Okay, super. Okay, the same query you can able to. Okay, that is the beauty of DAX base. Okay, so no need to apply same steps again and again. If you save your code in somewhere, okay, if you save your M code in somewhere, okay, no need to go and create your code again and again. Okay, so if you have a backup file, definitely whatever the steps you applied. Okay, so if you apply same steps, okay, you can take copy of advanced editor in your previous file. Suppose your working file is corrupted. Okay, you can take, okay, the previous version of yesterday file. Okay, you can take that and then you can take a advanced editor M code and then you can paste in the current file. Automatically it will be fixed. Okay, even for you also it will work, guys. Okay, even for you also it will work. Getting right? Awesome. Getting right? Just type yes. Okay. Okay. Awesome, guys. Okay. Now we'll write one sample code, guys. Okay, we'll write one sample code how M language will behave. Okay, how M language will behave. Okay, I will write a sample code for you. Okay, I will write sample code for you and then I will give the tips. Okay, next step. Okay, let me go here and then go to the Power Query. Okay, so new source, you can go to the new source. Okay, you can go to the new source. There you can go with the blank query. Okay, there we'll write the M code. Okay, there we'll write the M code. Okay, just go to the advanced editor. Okay, okay, leave like that. Okay, let and in. Okay, in let we'll write the steps, guys. Okay, every step will end with the comma. Okay, suppose A we have and A is equal to I have 5. Okay, and comma. Okay, B is equal to again 5. Okay, otherwise B is equal to 10, comma, and then C is equal to A plus B. Okay, and in, okay, whatever you will give in, guys, okay, that will be displayed. Okay, so what is the answer you will get, guys? Okay, so every step will have a comma, end with the comma, and then only last step will not have the comma. Guys, last step will not have the comma. Okay, what is the answer you will get? A plus B, okay, equal to C means, okay, what is the answer you will get? Unmute yourself or okay, you are typing up. Okay, super, done.
15.
Yes, okay, 15 you are getting. And what are the steps you will have in the applied steps? What are the steps you will have applied steps? A and B and C, right? Okay, guys, see. Hope you are getting. Okay, A and B and C we are having. Okay, what are the steps we have? The same steps. Okay, and the thing is, it's not mandatory to have, okay, final step in the, okay, it's not mandatory to have in the final step in the in, guys. Okay, you can write a B also, not a problem. You can write a B also, not a problem. Okay, whatever the steps you want to display, you can write in, guys. Okay, so it's not mandatory that, okay, last step only display. Okay, that is not a correct. Okay, so you can write, okay, that is not a rule, guys. Okay, that is not a rule. If you go with the B value is 10. Okay, that is the reason it's showing 10. Okay, that is the reason it's showing 10, guys. Okay, hope you are getting the rule. Okay, hope you are getting the rule. Okay, it's not mandatory to have last step in the, but last step should not have any comma, but previous steps will have the comma. Okay, that is the rule, guys. Okay, you can write n number of steps. Okay, d is equal to 7, e is equal to something. Okay, again 15. Okay, again comma. Okay, you are missing comma, that is the reason it's giving error. Okay, you can go with like this and then you can display something like that. Okay, guys. Okay, you can write n number of steps. And okay, hope you are getting the behavior of M code. Okay, how it will behave. Okay, so it's not mandatory to have last step in guys. Okay, so hope you are getting the sample code. Okay, just type yes, guys. Okay, if you are getting, just type yes, come on. Okay, so I will give the tips for 900 functions. Okay, you want to know the tips, guys. Okay, you want to know the tips for 900 functions. Are you excited to know that? Yes, I want to know. Yes, come on. Awesome. Okay, now let me go with the blank query. Okay, let me go with the blank query. Okay, equal to, okay, equal to hash and then share, guys. Okay, shared will be small cases. Okay, equal to hash shared will be small cases. You have to write the small cases and then enter. Boom. Okay, see, and then we'll convert into table and then we'll see, guys. Okay, we'll see all functions. Okay, if you want a date function, okay, you can go here and then you can search for date functions. Okay, sorry, date. Okay, see, date dot add days, date dot add months, date dot quarters dot, every date function is there. Every date function is there. Okay, you can go and then see whatever the date function. Okay, click OK, guys. Okay, click OK. You will see it. So all functions. Okay, if you want to see date is in X, so don't click on this function. Okay, so click on empty space. Okay, you will see the example. Okay, you will see the example and then okay, definition and then example and then okay, output also, what you will get, true or false results output. Okay, so it's, they are taking the local time. Okay, system time. Okay, instead of that you can provide your date. Okay, so next month. Okay, next month means you are adding one number. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, whether you are getting okay, okay, whether you have a next month date or not. Okay, it's giving the true or false results. Not only that, guys. Okay, you can go here and then drop down, you can find all kind of functions and then you can see the document. Okay, you can see the document here only. Okay, if you go to the previous year. Okay, so it will give the definition and then example and then output, what type of output you will get and all. Okay, yes, hope you are getting whatever the function you will go. Okay, whatever the function you will go and everything it will display. Okay, everything it will display with the example. Okay, this is about the date function. Not only date function, guys. Okay, if you go with the okay, if you go with the number function. Okay, let me go here and then okay, select all and then this time okay, if you want to go with the text functions. Okay, text functions. Okay, see all the text functions. Okay, so uppercase, lowercase, even you can find the delimiters. Okay, text with delimiters. Okay, after delimiter, before delimiter, clean and okay, length and lowercase. Okay, so text dot lower. Okay, middle. Okay, and then pad and okay, pad start, everything. Okay, so every okay, replace, repeat and replace, everything is there. Okay, if you are interested with the code and all. Okay, so if you are you know bad about like array, so Power BI is not having the code. Okay, I want to code. If you feel like that, okay, you can go and learn a lot of things from here, guys. Okay, so you can learn. Okay, this is for you guys. Okay, you can learn this. Okay, so this is the text functions. Okay, we'll type that. Okay, and then you will see. Okay, click OK, it will filter for the text functions and then you can go here and then you can see the what is middle and then okay, what is the contain and what is the clean and then what is the lowercase. Okay, you know lower, right? So that is the reason. Okay, I have given this. Okay, whenever ABC like this. Okay, when you are right. Okay, text dot lower, it automatically convert the lower. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, so that is about the M code, guys. Okay, hope you are enjoyed with the M code. Like okay, so do you feel, guys? Okay, yesterday I said okay, one of the language I can learn. Okay, so whether okay, whether you feel or not. Okay, so this language is very easy, I enjoyed a lot. Okay, do you feel like that, guys? Okay, so this language, okay, one of the language, okay, so I haven't feel this language this much easy, but now I feel like, okay, even I learned one language very easily within half an hour. Okay, do you feel that, guys? Okay, hope you are able, now you can able to edit, right, at least. Okay, so after practice you may write, okay, your own code, but at least you can edit. Okay, where what are the steps we have, and then okay, what we are going to edit and all, everything you came to know now. Okay, awesome, awesome, guys. Okay, so that is about the M code. Okay, that is about the M code. Okay, now, so now we are entering into the power pivot case. Okay, modeling. Okay, power pivot means what? Modeling. Okay, in first day class I have given definition for power pivot case. Okay, what is that? What is the definition? Anyone remember that? Just type it here. If you remember that, just type it here. In the first day class, I have given example.
Relationship between tables.
Yes, relationship between the tables. Okay, relationship between the tables. Okay.
Tables.
No, it's not ETL. Okay, it's a relationship between the tables. Yeah. Okay, ETL means power query. Okay, so it's a, say, relationship between tables case. Okay, it's a relationship between tables. Okay, so we'll change slightly. Okay, we'll change slightly. Okay, it's a relationship between fact and dimension tables. What is that? Okay, what is the fact table and what is the dimension table? Guys, you want to know that? Okay, after story, guys. Okay, whatever the story I will tell. Okay, after my story, you will give a answer to the what is fact table and what is dimension table. Okay. Okay, so the first point is fact table. Okay, so the first you will come to know what is fact table, and then okay, you will come to know what is the dimension table. Yes, okay, let me explain the story now. Okay, you want me to explain? Okay, let me open and paint this. Okay, let me open a paint. Okay, it's looks like it's only one line, guys. Okay, it's only one line. Okay, but we'll have the 1 hour class, guys. Okay, we'll have the 1 hour class, but now okay, I will give only fact and dimension table. We'll see the relationship tomorrow. Okay, but for now I will give the explanation on fact and dimension tables. Okay, what is fact table and what is dimension table? Okay, so now, so one company CEO come and says that okay, I have a $1,000 million. Okay, that may be Amazon or Amazon CEO or Flipkart or Microsoft or anyone. Okay, so anyone. Okay, if he says okay, my company is earning $1,000 million. Okay, $1,000 million. That means it's functioning very good, right? Okay, that means functioning very good. Okay, this number is called a, okay, this number is called fact or measure or metrics case. Okay, this number is called fact. Okay, fact number, sorry, fact or metrics or measure. Okay, do you mean all numbers data is a measure, all numbers data is a fact? Okay, no. So my number, okay, fact means it's a number data, but all number data is not a fact case. Okay, suppose your phone number is there, my phone number is there. Okay, if we multiply two phone numbers, it will not give us someone else phone number, right, guys? Okay, if you have a your phone number and my phone number, if you do the addition, okay, it will not give someone else phone number. Okay, so where we can do all kind of aggregations, okay, it will give a meaningful information, that is called a fact and fact case. Okay, that is called a fact. Hope you are getting it. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, so which number will, okay, after applying all kind of aggregations like min, max, average, okay, sum, okay, after applying all aggregations, okay, if it is gives a meaningful information like average comma min comma max comma sum, okay, so sum and etc etc, after applying all this, okay, if it is gives a meaningful information, okay, if it gives a meaningful information, that is called a measure. Okay, that is called a fact. Okay, fact will have a more numbers data case. Okay, fact will have more numbers data. Guys, are you getting? Okay, this point is clear. Okay, so fact means what? It's a number data, but all numbers data is not a fact. Okay, if you are understanding, just type yes, guys. Okay, if you are understanding this point, just type yes. Hello. Yeah. Okay, so all number data is not a measure, guys. Okay, wherever you apply all kind of aggregations, even though it's giving a meaningful information, meaningful business answers, okay, that is called a measure. Okay, that is called a fact. Okay, so next question. Okay, so next question, so where you got this? Okay, so you got $1,000 million, right? Okay, where you got $1,000 million. Now the question people may ask you, okay, where you got, okay, where you got this profit? Means location table, guys. Okay, dim location. Dim means, okay, in real time people dimension table. Okay, so instead of dimension table, people call it's a dim table. Okay, don't get confused, guys. Okay, dim table means a dimension table. Shortcut people will call a dim table. Okay, so dim location table will come, guys. Okay, when means dim location table will come. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, when you got, okay, so like where you got means dim location will come. Okay, so when you got that profits, okay, when you got profits, okay, means dim. Okay, so when means dim date table will come, guys. Okay, dim date table will come. Okay, so for what you are getting that profit? Okay, which product you sold? Okay, which product you sold? Why we are get? Okay, so what product you sold? And so people may ask you interest. Okay, that is the product. Okay, this is dim product. Okay, what means the product table will come? Okay, product table will come. Okay, and then okay, who is the customer for that product? Okay, so dim customer. Okay, you can say dim customer table will come, guys. Okay, dim customer are dealers. Okay, nowadays people dealers also giving a good business. Okay, for Maruti, the Varun Motors is a dealers. Okay, they will give a good profit to the vendors. Okay, so and then what is the how? Okay, what is the mode of business? Okay, offline or online? Okay, offline or online? Okay, how the business is running? Okay, so dimension table will always ask the questions about your fact table, guys. Okay, fact table. Okay, the facts, the measures. Okay, dimension table. Here what I'm trying to say, your dimension table always describes, okay, always ask the questions about your measure. Okay, measure always give the answers about the business case. Okay, measure is always give the answers about the business. Okay, and dimension table will have more text data, and it always ask the questions. Okay, so the second point, it will always ask the questions about fact, questions about fact. Okay, and it always give the answers. Okay, it will, okay, fact table always give the answers, case. Okay, fact table always give the answers about the measure. Okay, about, okay, so whatever the question, dimension table will ask, okay, for all those questions. Okay, dimension table, sorry, fact table will give the, okay, fact will give the answers. Okay, we'll go some more depths, guys. Okay, we'll go some more depth, and then okay, open one new sheet, and then let me zoom it. Okay, if you want to start a business, first what should you have? Okay, you should have a product, right, guys? Okay, you should have a product. Yes or no? Just type yes or no, guys. Okay, first of all, you should have a product to start the business, right? So which product you want to, on which product you want to start the business? Okay, so first you need to have the product. Okay, let me have a product here. Okay, so this is the product ID. PID means product ID. Okay, name, product name. Okay, and then next you will have the price. Okay, you may have the quantity. Quantity means stock, guys. Okay, so what is the stock you have? Okay, what is the stock you have? Okay, so okay, so here, guys. Okay, P001. Okay, I have one product. Okay, P001, and then P002. Okay, and then P003. Okay, I have three products. Okay, so three products, and then name is okay. You may have a more columns, guys. Okay, for now, example, I took only 4 columns, but you may have a more and more columns also in the dimension table. Okay, this is the product dimension table. Okay, you will have the name car, bike, some laptops. Okay, you can feel like that. Okay, laptops, guys. Okay, laptops. Okay, these are the products we have, and the price is for car it's a 50,000. Okay, and then $20,000. Okay, something like that, guys. Okay, sorry. Guys, I'm back. Okay, hope you are able to hear me, right, guys? Okay, hello, hello. Yeah. So power gone actually. So I connected through mobile data. Okay, I'm back now. Okay. Yeah. So again, laptops again, it's a 4,000 something like that, and then I have the quantity. Okay, here I have 10, here I have 5, and here I have 3. Okay, something like that. Okay, okay. So this is my product table. Okay, this is my product table. If you start selling this product, okay, if you start selling this product, okay, so the transaction table, guys, okay, the sales table, okay, the transaction table will form. Okay, so it will have the product ID. Okay, it will have the product ID, and then okay, customer ID. Okay, so foreign. Okay, so the sales table, guys, okay, the transaction table. Okay, master tables called dimension tables. Okay, whatever the master table. Okay, this is the dimension table. Okay, from the dimension tables calls the parent tables, guys. Okay, these are the parent tables. From the parent tables, okay, the sales table will be happened, the transaction table will be generated. Okay, so on so product. Okay, P001. Okay, some customer. Okay, customer 001. Okay, cust 001. Okay, and so on so date. Okay, so on so data, guys. Okay, transaction, every transaction will record like this only, right? So on so date. Okay, so 01 01 2022. Okay, 01 01 2022. Okay, price is okay, so price. Okay, price is okay, so 50,000. P001 is a 50,000, right? And then 50,000 or $50. Okay, anything is fine. And then quantity he took okay, so he took only 2. Okay, he took 2. Guys, this is sold. Okay, this is the stock what you have. Okay, hope you are getting, guys. Okay, the transactions. Okay, everyday transactions will have in the fact table, guys. Okay, everyday transactions. Okay, fact table is nothing but a transaction table. Okay, each and every transaction. Okay, order returns and booked. Okay, whatever the things. Okay, so all thing will be there in the fact table, guys. Okay, hope you are getting the fact table, how the fact table looks like. Okay, so and again P001 same product. Okay, okay, same customer, also same customer, there is no rule, guys. Okay, same product, same customer, same day, again he can buy that. Okay, again he can buy that at that time. Okay, next time he has buy. Okay, he have buy 3. Okay, he liked the lot. Okay, again he took 3. Okay, there is no rule, guys. Okay, there is no rule, same product, same customer should not take the same day. Okay, there is no rule like. Okay, the business will not have. Okay, so why I'm saying this? Okay, so fact table may have the duplicates, but dimension table will not have any duplicates. Okay, dimension table will maintain the unique key, guys. Okay, but okay, if you go here again P002. Okay, some customer 2. Okay, customer 2 or customer 1 only, but this time I'm going with the customer 2. Okay, customer 2, and then so same date. Okay, same date. Okay, same day we can have n number of transactions, guys. Okay, again same day we can have n number of transaction. Amazon, if you take Amazon, okay, for same day same products. Okay, same customer may take. Okay, different customers may take, but we'll have a very big table. Okay, compared to dimension table, fact table is a very big. Do you agree, guys? Okay, hope you are imagining. Okay, hope you are imagining. Okay, how the fact table, just type yes, guys. Okay, if you are getting like what is fact table. Okay, suppose here is a awesome. Okay, here is, and then he typed 2. Okay, again, so again P002. Okay, customer 3. Okay, customer 3, and some next day. Okay, 201, and then 2022. Okay, again he took see product 3, product 2, right? Okay, product 2. Okay, that is the price 2020. Sorry, 20,000. Again, here is a 4. Okay, 4 he can able to take, guys. Okay, 4 he can able to take. So how many are there total? Quantity, how many are there? How many stock I have? Only 5, but he cannot take more than that, guys. Okay, so okay, try to understand, guys. Okay, whatever the stock, okay, whenever you try to, okay, he can take only 3. Okay, so again, when you sell this 3, okay, so in your front end application, it will show the stock is, okay, there is no stock. Okay, in front end application it shows there is no stock. Guys, are you getting? Okay, and also suppose you are trying to, okay, you are trying to sell some P004, some other product. Okay, some other product you are trying to sell. Okay, you are trying to sell some other product. Guys, anyone face this issue, guys? Okay, when you go to the supermarket, the person, okay, the guy who are there in the supermarket is trying to scan that product. Okay, he's trying to scan that product, but it's not scanned. Okay, he'll enter manually, and then he sell. Okay, he give that. Okay, then only he can sell that. Guys, how many are? It's that me, that's me, that's me. Come on, just type. Okay, how many of you got that type of issue? Yes, most of the people. Yes, most of the people. That means, guys, okay, so there is no product in this product table. Okay, there is no product in this product table listed, and you are trying to sell that product in the transaction table. You are trying to insert that transaction in the transaction table. That is the reason. Okay, so it will have the parent child referential integrity, case. Okay, so this is we call this one is a primary key, case. Okay, this one is a primary key. Okay, here is the primary key. So whatever the keys, okay, so fact table is have the foreign keys, case. Okay, fact table will have the foreign keys. Okay, fact table will have the multiple foreign keys. Okay, so dimension table will have the primary key, and then primary key will maintain a unique value in a column. Okay, it will not allow any duplicates, but foreign key will have the duplicate values. Guys, hope you are getting. Okay, and also dimension table will have the less number of data. Okay, so then only. Okay, so again, if you want to purchase that P004, guys, okay, he has to enter P004 product here, and then he has to maintain the others. Okay, and then enter the price. Okay, whatever the price, and then quantity, how many he sold. Okay, then only the transaction made here, guys. Okay, then only the transaction will be made it here. Okay, in the fact table. Hope you are clear, right, guys? Okay, so then only that is called referential integrity. Okay, this fact table. Okay, this primary key. Okay, this primary key and this foreign key will have the relationship. Okay, that relationship is called referential integrity. Okay, when you are in a SQL, that you will come to know, but this is database design, even though we'll create a modeling. So that time, okay, so the relationship will have that. Okay, then only that relationship will form. Okay, when the relationship form, you will get definitely that type of error. Okay, so now, okay, compared to dimension table, fact table will have more data. Do you agree, guys? Do you agree? So we'll have n number of transactions. Agree? Even customer table also will form, guys. Okay, customer table, each customer will have the 00 customer ID, and then customer name. Okay, so date of birth. Okay, customer, when the customer when customer books order, okay, automatically they will load that customer into customer table. Automatically they will give some number, and also they will give some unique ID to you, and then okay, this is the date of birth. Okay, so whatever the results he took, guys, okay, that will send it to the customer table. Okay, so customer table is a dimension table. Okay, it will also have, okay, see, even in company, so employees will have a unique number. Okay, that is employee ID, they will have a unique number. The same way, even customer table will have one unique number to, okay, this customer, how many transactions he has done. Okay, last month how many is done. Okay, so previous month, previous year how many. Okay, so whenever they want to pick something, okay, though even Okay, customer table will have, and date dimension, so on so date, how many sales and transactions. Okay, date dimension will come. Okay, from which location. Okay, even location table will come. Okay, so these are the dimension table. Based on all dimension table, okay, this fact table, okay, this transaction table will form, guys. Okay, transaction table means, okay, there is no specific value, something like that. Okay, after all, okay, after all dimension table, okay, dimension table is a parent table for the transaction table. Okay, it will take the reference from the parent table and then it will form, guys. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, transaction table, but data wise, transaction table will have the more and more data compared to dimension tables. Okay, if you see, guys. Okay, so if you see product, okay, if you have a very big business, okay, very big business, okay, how much they can introduce new products? 100, 1000, 2000, okay, per day 2000. Okay, that is very big business, guys. Okay, but the transaction will be in thousands and lakhs, guys. Okay, thousands and lakhs, but he may not introduce all of that much products, right? Are you agree, guys? Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, so products may not be, okay, products may not be increased the like how many transactions. That is the reason transaction table will have a more and more data compared to dimension table. Even customer may not come for each transaction. There is no new customer, guys. Okay, there is no new customer. Maybe existing customer only can take the, so customer table also will compare to the transaction table. Customer table will also have the less number of customers, new customers. Okay, existing customers only can take that. And also even locations. Okay, if you take the location worldwide, okay, suppose now you are in the 20 countries, your business is increased to 3 more countries. Max if it is increased, okay, how many countries does? Okay, 93 or 92, or I don't know exact number, but maybe 92 or 192 or 193, something like that. Okay, so it max to max 195. Okay, super. 195 countries, it's increased, right? Yes, so it's not compared to transaction table, it's very less. Agree? So hope you are getting, guys. Okay, now let me go with the paint. Okay, hope you are getting what is the fact table, how the fact table look like and all. Okay, so third point here we'll have the, okay, unique. Okay, it will have the primary keys, guys. Okay, unique data. Primary keys means what? Unique data. Okay, and here you will have the foreign keys, guys. Okay, here you will have the foreign keys. That means duplicate. Okay, foreign keys means, okay, we may have the duplicates. Okay, and size wise, yes. Okay, size wise, it will have very less. Okay, it's a less amount of data compared to fact table, guys. Okay, it will have less amount of data compared to fact table. I can say less data. Okay, less data I can say. Okay, suppose, okay, just I'm giving example, guys. Okay, if it is 2 MB or not 2 MB also, okay, just feel like that. Okay, so this table, okay, dimension table, location table may have the 1 MB data. Okay, 1 MB data, and date table may have a 1 MB or so 500 KB also maybe. Okay, so yeah, you can write it 1 MB. Okay, something like that. Okay, so you can 1 MB, and then see here it will have fact table will have almost 500 MB data. Guys, try to understand, okay, how much big it is. Okay, so if the business is very big, okay, it may have like that. Okay, so it may be 2 MB data. Okay, 2 MB. Okay, so like that, guys. Okay, so it will have a less amount of data compared to fact table. Fact table will have more depth, more data, and then more frequency also. Okay, so the location and customer and date table may have, okay, it may or may not have the very frequency of data, but transactional table will have very frequency data, daily data. Agree? Yes, daily data will have or not? Agree? Just type yes, guys. Okay, super. Okay, hope you are getting what I'm saying. Okay, now, okay, so far is clear, right? Any questions, guys? Okay, so far clear, right? No questions. Just type in. If you don't have any questions, just type in. Okay, otherwise you can ask at the end also. Okay, yeah, super. Now So people may ask, guys, okay, people may ask, okay, you got $1,000 million, right? Okay, so when you got that $1,000 million, okay, let me, okay, so let me here. Okay, see. In 2021 and then in 2020, how much you got? Okay, so in 2020, suppose, okay, in 1,000 million, 600 millions, okay, $600 million you got, okay, $600 million you got in 2021. Okay, the remaining in 1,000, okay, in 1,000 you got 600 from 2020. Okay, the remains how many? $400 from 2020, something like that. Okay, $400 from 2020 case. Okay, now, so if you got $600 in 2020, so in semester wise, okay, semester one how much, and then semester two how much? Okay, so in semester one how much, and then semester two how much? Okay, suppose in semester one, if you feel it's a 300, okay, in semester one, if you feel it's a 300, okay, and then semester two, again it's a 300, okay, guys, 600 means, okay, semester two, okay, semester means half yearly, guys, okay, semester means half yearly. Hope you are clear, right? And then, okay, now, okay, if you are semester one, okay, how many quarters you will have? So you will have a 2 quarters, guys, okay, right? Okay, how much you got for quarter one and how much you got for quarter two? Okay, how much you got for quarter two? Okay, so in quarter one I got 200, say like that. Okay, think like that, assume like that. Okay, so in quarter two I got something, how much? $100, something like that. Okay, in quarter one how many months you will have, guys? Okay, just type it here. Okay, in quarter one you will have a January, yes, 3 months. Okay, super, awesome. 3 months, that is January, February, March. Okay, that is January, okay, and then February, and then March case. Okay, so like you have a 200, right? Okay, here is a 50, and then again 50, again 100, something like that. Okay, you got like this. Okay, and so in January, okay, how many weeks you will have? Yes, how many weeks? 4 weeks. Okay, so next it will go to the week. Okay, next it will go to the week. After week it will go to the day. Okay, after day it will go to the hours, and after hours it will go to the minutes, and minutes after it will go to the seconds after it will go. If you see, okay, Microsoft CEO for second, okay, you can say like that. Okay, per second is getting this much, and then per hour is getting this much, and then per month is getting this much, per year is getting like this much. Okay, so measure, you can go to the detail level, guys. Okay, if you have a measure, you can go to the detail level. Okay, and then you can find like how you are getting and all. Guys, are you getting? Okay, measure, you can go to the detail level, and then you can find, okay, these are called hierarchies, guys. Okay, these are called hierarchies. Okay, dimension table will have the hierarchies. Okay, dimension table will have the hierarchies. Okay, dimension table will have the hierarchies. Okay, this is the year table will have the hierarchy. Suppose a date table, sorry. Okay, date table. Okay, if you go here, okay, date table. Okay, if you feel it's a date table, okay, it will have the year, and then next quarter, okay, and then next month, okay, and then next, okay, day, and then next again hours. Okay, something like that, guys. Okay, this is called hierarchies. Okay, hierarchies will have the dimension table, not only date dimension, guys. Okay, you may have in a location table also. Okay, you may have in a location table also. Suppose not only location table, okay, in every table you may have the hierarchies. Okay, if you go to the location, okay, so country first, it will take the country, and then, okay, then state, okay, state, and then you know, district, something. Okay, in India we call district. Okay, and then after villages, and then again streets, something like this, case. Okay, something like this we can go, and then we can see that. Okay, not only date and location tables, you may have the even product table also. Suppose if you take electronics case, okay, if you take electronics, in electronics you will have some more products like laptop, TVs, okay, mobiles, okay. In if you take any mobile guys, okay, in mobile again you will have the different Samsung and MI and Apple, okay. So different mobiles, okay. In that also again, if you take Apple and different models, okay, yes, hope you are getting, okay. Every dimension table will have the hierarchies also, okay. So when we have the hierarchies, you will go to the detail level and then you can find the measure where we are getting what, okay. So that much detail level we can go, okay. To find the detail level of data, we can go with the hierarchies and then we can do the data slicing and dicing, guys, okay. Hope you are getting, okay. This point is clear, okay. When we have the slicer, okay, when we have the hierarchies, you can do the data slicing and dicing. What is slicing? Slicing means filtering, guys, okay. You can go to the detail level filtering and then you can see that measure. And then dicing means it's a grouping, okay, where you can do the group level data also, okay. Hope you are clear with the fact and dimension tables, guys, okay. Now we'll write the points, guys, in a notepad, okay. After story, what I promised, guys, okay, after story you will give the points for the fact and dimension table, okay. Now you have to give me the point, unmute yourself, not a problem, okay. Give points, guys, okay. Fact table will have the more number of, okay, more number data, okay. Dimension table will have more, I'm saying more, guys, okay, means that means we may have the text data also, okay. More text data. Next point, you have to unmute yourself and then say that, guys, okay, if you have a point.
Fact has a numerical number.
Yeah, it will have a numbers data. Yeah, that's the point I have written, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
Facts have
Okay,
primary
dimension
key.
Primary key.
Foreign
Fact
key.
table have foreign key and dimension table have
yes,
primary
fact table will have the foreign keys, not only foreign key, it will have the multiple foreign keys, okay. Yeah,
Yeah, many
And
foreign keys.
dimension has
primary
primary key.
keys, okay, super, okay.
Fact has duplicates, but dimension doesn't have
Yes,
any.
fact will have the duplicate case, okay, and then duplicate data.
dimension.
There could be
Dimension
multiple
and
dimension
values.
table for a fact table.
It will have a unique data, okay. Dimension table will have the
Both have hierarchy and data.
Hierarchy.
yeah, it will have the hierarchy data, yes, but hierarchy, it's not mandatory, guys, okay. It may have the hierarchy, but it's not mandatory, okay. Say that, okay, remember that point, okay. Hierarchies,
Hierarchy come in dimension tables.
yes,
Okay,
hierarchies in
thank you.
dimension table, yes, okay.
Okay, fact table has a length like more data.
You are not giving
Then-
some important points, guys, okay. There is a one important point, dimension fact table will give the answers. Try to, this is the best point, guys, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
fact table will related to the business, okay. It will give answers, okay. That point is
Business
important.
decisions.
Yeah, it will give
According to
answers
fact
the
table,
business,
it
okay?
take business decisions quickly.
Yeah, answers, it will give answers to the business, okay. It will give answers to the business. And dimension table will always ask the
Question.
questions. Super. Will
Good.
always ask the questions. Yes, okay. Next, it will have more data compared to dimension
Dimension.
compared to dimension tables, dim tables. Okay, it will have more data, and then it will have a less amount of data compared to fact table. What else? Any point is missing? Okay, you can go here and then see, okay, primary key, questions, text data. So every point is covered now, okay. Hope, guys, so everything is clear how the fact table and dimension table look like, okay. How, so just type as, guys, okay. So hope you enjoy the session of the modeling part, okay. You will have so how the dimension table and fact table, it's a simple definition, guys, okay. It's a simple definition, but superb, awesome, thank you, okay. Yes, okay. So it's a fact table and dimension table, guys, okay. It's a fact table, dimension table. Now you, thank you so much. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, you may have a multiple tables also. That will, okay, we'll go step by step. Okay, that point also you will come to know. Okay, not this time. Okay, I will, again I'm saying guys, okay, whenever I want to feed, I will give that much only. I will not give extra. If you have a, okay, yes, you may have. For your question, answer is you may have the multiple fact tables. Okay, whether you have the multiple dimension tables. Okay, again you are seeing, okay, multiple dimensions also there. Okay, multiple fact tables also there. Okay, we'll discuss that. Okay, again, that is a step by step process, guys. Okay, you will come to know. Just okay, you will come to know. Okay, we haven't finished yet. Okay, this is only we learned. Okay, what is fact table and dimension table. Manju, are you understanding? Okay, what is, okay, my answer? Okay, you are getting right. Okay, you may have a multiple. Okay, super. Okay, whenever, okay, you have to respond, guys. Okay, whenever I give an answer, okay, I understand. Okay, so we'll come to know. Okay, you will come to know like we'll have a multiple fact tables or not. Okay, yeah. So now, see, we learned fact and dimension tables. Okay, to define the relationship between the fact and dimension tables, you have a schemas, guys. Okay, you have a schemas. Okay, but in Power BI, you require the two schemas. Okay, two schemas. What is that schemas? First one is star schema. First one is
Snowflakes.
star schema, and then second one is
Snowflakes.
schema. Yes, okay, snowflake schema. Okay, do you want to know that? Okay, what is star schema and what is snowflake schema?
Star schema, I think it connects multiple tracks
Okay.
at the
If
middle.
you want to know that, just type it, guys. Okay, but I'm stopping the class here. Okay, we'll see tomorrow what is the star schema and snowflake schema with the details, how you learn the fact table and dimension table. Okay, the same way. Okay, the same way you will learn about the star schema and snowflake schema. Just believe me, tomorrow also you will enjoy the class. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'm stop recording now. If you have any questions about the modeling or anything about